Today's lecture we are going to of TOC. We are going to see how we convert regular expression into language. Right? This is what we are going to see in today's lecture. Now, let's see. Let's take an example how we are going to convert the regular expression into language. See here, RE stands for regular expression and this is the language. Right? So let's take an example. Suppose first A is given to us and we have to convert this regular expression A into language. Then what is going to be the language? It's going to be A only. Right? Second, suppose A into B. Right? Or A concatenation. A into B means concatenations. Here into or dot defines concatenation. You know what is concatenation? Concatenation means joining two things. So A concatenation 2 is going to, what is going to be the language of A concatenation B? It's going to be A, B. Right? Third, for example, A plus B. A plus B plus means union, right? And union means at least once. So what it's going to be? It's going to be at least once means either A or B. Now, let's take one more example. A union B concatenate with B. So A union B. A plus B means at least once A should come and at least one B should come. So what it's going to be? A, B. And then we have to concatenate it with B. So see, you know dot means concatenations. Now we have A plus B means either A or B. At least once A should come, at least B, once B should come. So A plus B is A, B. And we have to concatenate it with B. Right? So what it's going to be? It's going to be A concatenation B is AB, then BB. So A plus B concatenate with B is going to be AB, BB. Right? So this is the language of this. Now let's take another example. A star. What does A raised to power star means? A clean. Now how you are going to define A clean? We know A clean means epsilon A up to infinity. Right? Now let's take another example. A plus B epsilon, clean closure. Now A plus B clean closure. A plus B means A union B means at least once A and once B. So what's going to be the language of it? It's going to be, and closure means, what does the word closure means? Closure means at least once. So first field closure includes epsilon and epsilon means 0. So A plus, this can be written as A plus B raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is epsilon. Right? Now A plus B raised to power 1. What it's going to be? It's going to be epsilon once A, right? Once A, then once B, right? Then A plus B raised to power 2 denotes A plus B concatenate with A plus B means twice this. So what it's going to be? Epsilon AB of this, and then A into A into B is going to AB, then B into A, then B into B, so on up to infinity. So what it's going to be? A plus B clean closure is equals to epsilon A, AB, B, AA and BA. Right? This is clear. So you need to understand that whenever epsilon clean closure is there, that means we have to see it once with the power of 0, then with 1, then with 2. This much is clear to you. Now let's take another example. Say we'll take an example. We have to construct the regular expressions of A. Say you can say like A epsilon say union A plus closure, right? So this was 6th. Now you are taking the 7th example. This is example number 7. So A cleansed closure union A positive closure. So first, how you are going to elaborate it? First we'll take A clean closure. A clean closure, what is going to be the language of A clean closure? It include epsilon A, then we have A, and so on up to infinity. Then we'll take this A with a positive closure. What is the difference between A with a clean closure and A with a positive closure? See, the difference between the A, with a A with a clean closure and A with a positive closure is that in it has epsilon, and in positive closure we don't have epsilon. So it's going to be A up to infinity. Right. So can you see the difference between A with a clean closure and A with a positive closure? It's that A with a clean closure is having an epsilon, whereas A with a positive closure is not having any epsilon. So we are going to take the union. Now here, what exactly the expression is that we have to convert into the language is A clean closure union A positive closure. Right. Now we are finally going to find out A union A plus this. Now, what does the word union means? What do you understand by union? Union means at least once. So, in this at least once, it's going to be epsilon A up to infinity. So, what it's going to come? It's going to be A epsilon A, what it is? A star. So, A with a clean closure union A with a positive closure is equivalent to A clean closure. So this is the language of it, right? This is clear? Any confusion? Now we are going to take another example. Say, see, first we have taken union. Now we are going to take an intersection.